Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transpose data in Excel, which means switching your rows into columns or columns into rows. This is very useful if you want to rearrange your data without retyping everything. Let's get started. Step 1. Select your data. First, click and drag to select the data you want to transpose. For example, if you have a list of names in a row and you want them in a column, select all the cells containing the names. Step 2. Copy the data. Right-click on your selection and choose Copy or press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Step 3. Choose the destination. Click on the cell where you want to paste your transposed data. Make sure this area doesn't overlap with your original data to avoid overwriting it. Step 4. Paste Special Transpose. Right-click on the destination cell and choose Paste Special, then check the Transpose option. In newer Excel versions, you can also find a transpose icon directly in the Paste dropdown. Click it, and your data will instantly switch from rows to columns or columns to rows. Step 5. Done. Your data is now transposed. You can delete the original data if you don't need it anymore. Extra tip. If your data includes formulas, the transpose will also adjust the formulas accordingly. But if you only want values, use Paste Values plus Transpose to avoid formula errors. That's it. Transposing data in Excel is simple and saves a lot of time.